Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche Cayenne Turbo. I hope it is Cayenne or Cyan. So I'm going to pronounce as Cayenne for now. Okay, so this is by Matchbox and I bought this during 2023. So this is a older casting. So I bought it for 149. So right now the price is 179. So again, this is a 70 years edition, and for Porsche that is the 75th anniversary edition. Okay, let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. So I really like they actually went with some kind of protector inside for this one, like they did for the Tesla. Again, they would never do, Mattel would never do such a thing for Hot Wheels. I don't know. Even though Hot Wheels are their own brand and Matchbox was a brand bought by Mattel, still Matchbox looks really good compared to Hot Wheels in a lot of aspects, and they do a lot of, see, it has a protector here inside. Okay, let me just throw this away. Okay, so here is the card art. Again, a beautiful card art with the entire car inside the frame. Looks really nice. Okay, let's get into the casting now. So out of the box, the casting looks really beautiful, and it has this, I don't know, like navy blue, I can say. Okay, it has a little bit of paint bubbling here. You can see on the doors. The door handle details are there, rear view mirrors are there, and it has this panoramic sunroof. And you can see the interior here, which is really nice. So it has headlight detailing here. So those are painted. Porsche logos here. Honestly, it is not really that messed up as they do in Hot Wheels. I'm not sure why the partiality is, but they do it really well when it comes to Matchbox, but not really that good when it comes to Hot Wheels. Okay. So again, it has tail light details also. That looks really good. Again, personally for me, I don't need flashy liveries. I need cars actual details like headlight, tail lights, these kind of details. Okay. So the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. The chassis has a little bit of detailing to it. It has the exhaust here, which is really good. Okay. I don't feel it is heavy, but it has this wiper detailing here. Looks really good. It does have the rear wiper as well. Really nice detailing there. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Okay, 36 grams. Not bad at all. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, the front wheel wobbles a lot. The rear wheel also wobbles a little, but at least it rolls till end of the track. Again, compared to a lot of Hot Wheels, these Matchbox rolls really well. Okay. So let's rate this casting now. So honestly, I don't see the paint bubbling issue is something specific to mine, and there are a little bit of scratches on the windshield. So I'm not going to count these as common things because again, specific to mine. So let's leave those out. So I don't see any issue with anything here. It has all the detailing which we normally look for. It's a good casting. It looks really good. So 10 out of 10, solid 10 out of 10. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.